the Songbirds. And we are from, thank you. We are from the Southwest Focal Point Community Center in the city of Pembroke Pines. And this extraordinary choir, we always rehearse on Mondays. We always get together to do beautiful things, which is music. We love singing together, and not only do they sing, they also are learning music, which is an art form. Yeah. So the fact that they are learning music and they're singing, you're gonna see how that works so well because they sing so beautiful together. Okay? So we're going to begin our performance, and we're gonna sing one of our greatest songs that we've heard since childhood, the Star Spangled Banner. Many years ago, like 100 years ago, 100 years ago, and 200 years ago, the national anthem was very different. The one that we just sang is the one that is known around the world, and it was actually written in the 1930s. Okay, many people don't know that, but there was another national anthem that all of you know, because when we were kids in school, we used to sing it. So we're going to listen to the original national anthem of the United States.
Liberty of the
related to the United States. And you know that when the United States, after the American Revolution, we know that the USA created an amazing navy. We won the British. The British was an empire. Okay, they conquered planet Earth. And the early Americans fought for their freedom. And the Navy was very important back in those days. Okay, so what you're gonna listen to is the original Navy hymn. America the Beautiful. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Yeah, America the Beautiful. Now here comes the Navy. Okay, this next song is called Edelweiss. Okay, if you remember that word, it's an extremely beautiful song. you remember Louis Armstrong?
Yes.
What a classic, right?
Yeah.
Wow. When I was a kid, we did not have color TV at home. It was like that color, the piano, it was wood, and it had a screen around this big. Remember those TVs? When you would turn them off, that little circle, and you get close to it and you can still see the people, right? So when I saw Louis Armstrong for the first time, he played at the Ed Sullivan Show, and wow, magical, right? Remember that smile? Wow, and that trumpet. Oh my God. Okay, so as the years went by, music was going into the 60s. And many things happened in the 60s, if you remember. The United States was in turmoil. But Louis Armstrong, and remember in the 1960s, we were at war in Vietnam. But Louis Armstrong showed and taught the people that there's something greater than misery and suffering. And it's called love. And it's love for our planet, the world that we walk on, and love for every single human being that exists in this world. Because love is the key to happiness. And this song talks about that. It's called What a Wonderful World. This is going to be our very last song because our transportation is here. So enjoy. And from the choir and from my heart, God bless you all. Thank you. weekend. Enjoy. Thank you so much.